Peace be upon you. Today's video will explain how to block anonymous calls and also block anonymous messages from unfamiliar and completely unknown numbers only from your phone settings without using any external programs. All you have to do is follow these steps explained in this video, but before starting the explanation, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, please, and thank you very much to everyone who subscribed to my channel. Thank you from the heart. Now let's move on to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the Calls application on your phone. Then click on the three dots above here, or if you find the settings icon there, click on it. Then click on Block Harassment. Here in this interface you will find blocking calls and blocking messages rules. If you want to block anonymous calls or private numbers, click on Blocking Calls. Then you activate this option to block unknown numbers. If you want to block private and unknown numbers and calls, click here to block private and anonymous calls according to your desire. Now, if you want to block anonymous messages, go back and click on Blocking Messages Rules. Then you activate this option to block unfamiliar numbers. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, problems, or suggestions, write them in the comments. We will meet in an upcoming video.